Hello everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Shanghai Gofun Machinery Company. First, let's visit our workshop. Our company specializes in design and manufacturing the whole line of fruit and vegetable processing and packing equipment. And now we can see on my left side is our aseptic filling system. It can be connected with the sterilization system directly. The product will be filled into the aseptic bags after fully sterilized by sterilizer. And next, we can see this is our fruit pulper and refiner. With the most advanced working principle, highest currency of manufacturing, the machine has advantages of high pulp yield, convenient operation, large productivity, and stable performance. Behind of me, we can see this is our automatic UHT tubeless sterilization system. The high-temperature sterilization can heat, preserve heat recover, and cooling at the same time. In preheating and sterilization, the heat can be fully recovered. Here is our fruit destiner machine. It also has the advantage of reasonable schedule, stable performance, high efficiency, low rate of corn damage, and simple installation and operation. Behind of me, we can notice this is our semi-finished evaporation system. Gofun specializes in the design and production of continuous vacuum low-temperature evaporator. According to different products and requirements of customers, we can design and produce evaporators suitable for related products.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.